thing once here again with you today. Welcome to another episode of this channel. So in this video I want to do a comparison video between the Nokia 3.1 Plus, which is this, and the Nokia 3.4. So why I'm not supposed to do this comparison, because they are not the same, they are not made. So but I wanted to do this comparison because this is a 2020 phone, but it comes with a mid-range chipset, which is a Snapdragon 460. So here guys, and this is a 2018 smartphone, and this is a mid-range device, but it's a bit higher than this. It comes with a Snapdragon 636, which is a pretty decent chipset, and I think it's a better one to this, guys. So I want to compare this thing because this is 2 years old now, and this is just it's not up to a year old, guys. It's just launched this year. So let me see what I can get out of the two, and which one is the best. And this is 4000 mAh battery, and this is 3060 mAh battery. This is a 16 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel bokeh camera. This is 13 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel portrait camera. So the difference between this camera here is that this one has an ultra wide camera, while this one doesn't have ultra wide camera. This is 2 cameras, this is 3 cameras, guys. Fingerprint. But this is more premium to this. If you ask me, this is plastic, pure plastic, guys, and you can even feel the plasticity while looking at the device. So but this one here is glass. This is glass, guys. It looks so premium and so beautiful. This is aluminum, side is aluminum, and the body is glass. So guys, the device feels so premium, if you ask me. And this is plastic, but this is more durable, because when this one falls on the ground, it won't break as easy as this. It will just shatter easily because it's glass, but this is plastic. But quality, I prefer this because this is more premium to this, guys. And here is plastic too for the side. But that's by the way, when you have a case, you slap a case on the two, guys, you won't even know the one that's plastic or the one that's glass, and you won't even be concerned anymore. So I think this is the one to go for. Because why? Because this thing comes with Android 10, and it is Android 11 ready, guys. So I can just easily upgrade to Android 11 right away, and it's going to get Android 12. When I go to Android 11, I will still get Android 12 next year. But this is an Android 10 already, so I'm not getting another software update. It came with Android 8, and I upgraded to Android 9, and now it's on Android 10. So I'm not hoping for another updates anymore. So guys, that is just so guys, this is 2-year-old chipset. This is just few months old. So let's see. 1, 2, go. So you can see this is different style of putting up interface. This is the old one, this is the new one. Who is going to win this battle, guys? Oh. So guys, this one won. So guys, let's unlock them. So guys, let me do fingerprint test here. So which one is the first here, guys? You guys should tell me. This is the first, guys. They are both slow, but this is fast. So I couldn't even recognize it. So let me try again. See, this one I recognize faster than this. Well, they're almost the same, guys. They're almost the same. So let me do camera test. So guys, you guys should tell me which camera is the best here, as you can see. So let me take a single shot to compare with. But while looking at them, this one feels more better. This is a 16 megapixel camera, this is a 13 megapixel camera, and if you look at them, this one has more details. This is more color accurate than this. But here I can set it to 16 megapixel, 8 megapixel, so I think this one has more usability. So this camera is better than this, guys. Let me open the two pictures, let's compare. As you can see, this one is still a strong device, guys. So mind you, this is a bigger screen than this. Is 6.3 inch, this is 5.8 inch, so display here it looks wider than this, but when it comes to quality, it's better, guys. So you guys are the judge. You can tell me here. Okay, this is a fingerprint, brings down the notification shade, so nothing. So this is the normal thing in Nokia. So let's see what we have here. So guys, look at this. So by the normal sense. So guys, you guys are the judge. Let me do a real camera test here. Let me see who wins. Let me see which one has more accurate color here. So as you can see, this one has a lot of contrast than this. So this is better than this, if you ask me, guys. Let me take the camera. So guys, let me take a single picture and see the one has better quality. So guys, looking at it, I think this camera is better than this, guys. So this one don't need to load the pictures, but this one is busy loading pictures, guys. So that is it. Look at these two pictures. This one is better, guys. This one is a bit washed out. This one still retains quality, guys. You can see real details here. The two cameras are okay, guys, but this is better than this. That is just it. So let's go to the video. Oh wow, this video is better than this, guys. You can see the color temperature here. This one still retains the clear red, and this one is already getting purple. So the color here, this one is weird, very very weird. This one is just the normal real life color here. So guys, let's do a quick video here. So as you can see, this camera is beating this one, guys. So this one just fixed the color, but this one leaves the reason why it's like this is because this is 4K camera. This one has 4K. This one doesn't have 4K. So let me show you what I mean by 4K. And you got resolution, video resolution. So the back camera has UHD 4K, guys. That is it. This is the secret here. It's capped at 4K, but this one here is just 1080p, guys. As you can see, so this camera beat this one hands down, guys. But I won't, just pick phones because of the camera. Just because of the camera. So you have to consider other things like the battery. The battery here is better than this, guys. That's a short thing. So that is it. And this one is going to get Android 12 just because of the Android 12. But you can just consider that, guys. But let me know